What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This should be very similar for all Highlanders, 2014 through 2019. It could even be very similar for Tacomas and within that year. If you want to know more about how to change your oil, I'm going to drop a link to that video of how to DIY your oil change on your Highlander. I dropped that below. But jumping right in here, what you're going to do is you make sure you have the key in your pocket, and you're not going to depress the brake. You just want to get the engine to the on position, also known as accessory mode. So we're just going to push this button twice. And as you can see, the dash just came on. All right. And so we see already it's telling us maintenance required, right? Every time you turn it on. All right. So what we're going to do is use these buttons here on the steering wheel. I'm just going to get out of that, right? So just press escape to get out of that. And then I'm going to push this little button right here underneath. And as you can see, it now is in the icon mode. And we're going to go on over to the gear icon. And then we're going to scroll down. And it's going to say scheduled maintenance. All right, you can see that right there. So I'm going to click the center button now. It says scheduled maintenance. It says, would you like to reset the scheduled maintenance data? And we're going to scroll up to yes. We're going to hit the middle button. It says the data has been reset. And now I'm going to turn the vehicle off by pushing the button. And then I'm going to hold the brake and start the vehicle like normal and make sure that the data has been reset. It says welcome back. There is no reset the maintenance light or change oil. It's been reset now. All right, so that is how you reset the maintenance light on a Toyota Highlander. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions below. Also, if you want to see how to change the oil yourself, be sure to check out my other videos on the Highlander. This is a Highlander XLE. So this is Bullseye8231. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.